सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page number 39, shloka number 10. चेष्टमानं शरीरं स्वं पश्यत्यन्यशरीरवत् संस्थवे चापि निन्दायाम् कथं क्षुभ्येत् महाशयः. Ashtavakra presenting the response of that wise person towards the people and situations. If a person is a jnani, the knower of his real nature, that is one's own self, he will not afflicted by or affected by any pairs of opposites, praise and censure. Many people many times praise us, and many people many times criticize also. When they praise, we are very happy. When they criticize, we are very, very, very unhappy. And we lose our confidence. And it creates a lot of diffidence. This is naturally happens to any normal person. But a wise person who is having a sakshi bhava because of self-knowledge, atma jnanam, he himself stands at that status of witnesser. Sakshi means witnesser. A jnani witnesses all the experiences happening day to day routine. Jnani also experience pairs of opposites, praise and censure, no difference. But how he responds? What is his mental status? Ashtavakra says, stave samstave, stavana praising. At the time of praising by others, samstave, samyak stave, very high appreciation when they do, he is not giving any reality to that. He looks at it as third person. He looks at his body itself, shariram, parashariravat, anya shariravat pashyati. First line, Ashtavakra says, swam shariram cheshtamanam swam shariram. Even his own body, swam means one's own, shariram, body, cheshtamanam, when it is doing some cheshta activities. We have to do some cheshta, some activity. No one can sit without any karma, any action. Therefore, karma, while he is doing also, cheshtamanam shariram swam, katham pashyati, anya shariravat pashyati. Anya shariravat, like others' body. He looks at his own body like others' body. What it means? When anything happens to somebody's body, somebody is praising that person or criticizing that person, am I going to get any problem? Am I going to be afflicted by that? On the other hand, I am very happy also. Nalla adi vaangran other person. When he is praised by others also, he is not, adu onnu feeling. That is very meager minded people, not all people. So like that, when it is happening in other person, how he is looking? I am what? Untouched. Touch me not. I am untouched. Solluva. Like that, he looks at as the third person. Like that, Jnani looks at his own body experiences, his own mental experiences, emotional experiences. Sometimes our own mind is so bubbling now. Sometimes our own mind, we do not know why it is unhappy. Moody mind sometimes. Why it is like that? We ourselves do not know. That is called Maya. Changing nature is called Maya. Therefore, this Jnani is one who sees all the changes as a third person. Anya shariravat pashyati cheshtamanam swam shariram. Samstave, this body is always praised by someone, sometimes, somewhere, and criticized, nindayam. Even it is censured, criticized, blamed. Ninda means blame, criticism, censured. At that time, nindayam means at that time. Katham kshubhyeta, how can he be? Kshubhyeta means kshubhana kshobha. Shobha means pain, inner pain. Katham shubhyeta, how can he be afflicted? How can he be disturbed? He can never be disturbed. No one can disturb him. Why? Mahashayaha. He is a great Jnani. He is a great Jnani, therefore no one can disturb him. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now 11th shloka. Maya matramidam vishvam pashyan vigata kautukaha api sannihite mrutyau katham trasyati dhiradhihi. Idam vishvam maya matram. For a Jnani. For a Jnani, idam vishvam. Idam means this. Vishvam, the universe. The objective universe. Vishvam. Maya matram is nothing but Maya. Magic. It is a endless serial. Vidyaranya says, what is Maya means Prashnaha. Prashna is Maya. Why? What? You ask, no, that is called Maya. Why? What? You do not know. You cannot answer. What you cannot answer, that is called Maya. Prashna itself is Maya. Therefore, Maya matramidam. Maya is itself is a Prashna. Prashna is Maya. Maya itself is a question mark. What is Maya? Yama sa Maya. What is not, that is Maya. Magic is there really? When he is doing that AC Sarkar, whatever he is doing, all of them are only magic. Similarly, the entire world is like a magician's magic. Maya, another name is called magic. Ella mystery. Maya, this ahankara, as long as it is attached to the body, ahankara, body, mind, complex, whole thing is Maya. Whole thing is Maya. How? Made out of Maya only. Therefore, Maya is equal to magic, is equal to mystery, is equal to my story. Maya is called magic. Magic is mystery. Mystery is nothing but my story. My story means lower I. Ahankara, body, mind, complex put together. My story, mystery, magic, Maya. What about higher I? That is my real nature. Sakshi Chaitanyam. The lower I am taking it as real. Ahankara, body, mind, complex, my story, mystery, Maya, magic. I am taking it as real. And all the problems of this mystery, my story, okay, is real for an ajnani. That is the dukkha karanam. Ajnanam eva, higher I, lower I, discrimination not there, dukkha is bound to be there. You take this lower I as real, Maya, ahankara is nothing but I am, you are telling that ahankara is really Chidabhasa reflecting in the mind, then only you are able to say aham, I am. This ahamkara is really borrowed the chit from the Brahma Chaitanyam, from me actually. From me, the mind borrows the Chidabhasa and makes the body sentient, and that body, sentient body, interacts with the world. This you have to analyze all the time. I am really original consciousness, Chit Sat principle. Nityam, Ekam, Chaitanyam, Satyam. This matter, because of this Maya associated with Brahman, it has got a capacity to reflect, borrow the sentiency from me, the Chaitanyam, then it reflects in the mind, Sukshma Shariram. Once it reflects, Chidabhasa is formed. That is called lower I. Once the lower I is formed, what happens? It forgets that I am taking Chit from Brahman and lending to the mind, sense organs and the world. That Chit what I have taken, this ahankara forgets. Who is talking? Anna? Mixture is talking now. Lower I, higher I, this discrimination is called Viveka, Atma, Anatma, Viveka. Just as moon borrows light from the sun. Similarly, mind borrows chit from the Chaitanyam Brahma, who is none other than myself. Therefore, I am showing my hands like this outside. Don't think they are distant. They are very close. There is no distance. Sun ku moon ku there is a distance. But here, Maya, Brahman ki no distance. Maya, matter, is nothing but only a Shakti of Brahman. That Brahman is myself. This Maya is Jadam, body Jadam, mind Jadam. I am the Chaitanyam lending sentiency to the mind. Mind borrows sentiency from me. Mind becomes sentient and it makes the body sentient, sense organ sentient, and seeing the world. Who inert body mind. This is lower Anatma I. Higher I am. So what I have to do, if I take this lower I am, body, mind, I have to suffer, which is unreal, mithya, depending upon me, the Brahman. I, the Brahman, am deathless, birthless, diseaseless, old ageless. This Ahankara body mind complex has got what? All the four. Birth, death, disease, old age. Now, what to do? These four, Ahankara, Manas, Buddha, Sariram, cannot be free from these problems. Anatma is never free from the problems. Atma is ever free from the problems. Atma, Anatma. Now, it is your choice if you want to claim as Atma, who is birthless, deathless, diseaseless, old ageless. Or if you want to claim that you are body-mind complex. It is your choice. Why we are not able to discriminate means this is more attractive. That is called Deha Abhimana. Ajnanam is the cause for Abhimana. Abhimana is the cause for Ahankara. Ahankara helps the Abhimana, Abhimana helps the Ahankara. Both of them mutually, a mutual understanding. Dehabhimana nourished the Ahankara, Ahankara nourished the Dehabhimana. Both of them are doing lot of drama. Jnani ki the entertainment. Let them do drama. Ahankara and Dehabhimana, as long as they are mithya, unreal, it is a drama for a Jnani. Entertainment. If I do not know it is a drama, what will happen? It is real and I cry. That is why all people who are all crying, shouting all this, they do not know that is a drama. Jnani ki adi vande drama. So whole world is a drama. How many episodes? Endless serial this is. Beautiful serial. So you can convert your life into an entertainment, or life is a burden struggle. It is in your hands. Those who are all Ashtavakra, Gita students, Upanishad, Brahma Sutra, these students, for them life is an entertainment. Non-Vedantic students, life is a burdensome. Not immediately. Even Vedantic students also, it takes a lot of time. Gradual means what, Swami? Gradual. Slowly. It works. Gradually it works. Maya matram idam vishwam. Over. The whole world is Maya. Beauty, it is my glory. Mayeva sakalam jatam, my glory. Vishwam Pashyan Vigata Kautukaha. Pashyan, having seen this world, Maya world, why Bhagavan created this world, why Bhagavan created mosquitoes, why Bhagavan created this much traffic, people. Huh? Why in a question? Pashyan Vigata Kautukaha means without probing into why it is like this. Kutuhalam. Curiosity. Kutuhalam, curiosity. Kutuhalasya bhavaha kautukaha means the one who has got kutuhalam is got kautukaha. One who has got kutuhalam means curiosity. Probing into everything. What is this? Why it is like this? Why it is not like this? Why this person is talking like this? Why person is not talking like that? Why this person is not accepting me? Everyone should accept me. Everyone should agree me. This is called expectation. This is called kutuhalam. Trim your curiosity. Trimming your curiosity. Who is sitting next? Who is coming next? What they are wearing? What they are doing? In the kutuhalam, so powerful people. Some people publicly they do, silently in the mind itself they do kutuhalam. Probing. Probing. Why that student is not coming to the class? Why the student sits there only? Why this student is... Why? What you can say why? No answer. Gnani is one who is very flexible. He never bother. He never probe into anything. That is called Vigata Kautaha. Vigata Kautukaha. Now, from whom the probing nature has gone. Vigata means free from. Free from kutuhalam. That is why a mature person is one. They talk to people together talking, suppose. If they are mediocre, very, very low standard and high standard. Low standard people talk about others all the time. Low standard people always talk about third person. Mediocre people talk about always themselves. What about you? What about you? They talk each other. High standard people, they never talk about others. They check, they watch about their behavior. They never enter in the field of others' matters. Very difficult this is. It is not easy. That's why trim your curiosity first. A person who is having that probing nature, even an iota, is not fit for Vedanta. Is not fit for Vedanta means he may come and study, she may come and study, but Vedanta will never enter into that person. Impossible. And be mind occupied. In probing alone, mind occupied. I am as the well-wisher Madri, other probing. As the well-wisher, we probe. I want to get news. News is always very juicy, no? News is always very juicy. As the well-wishers, people want to draw the information. This type of nature is very powerful nature that is very, very difficult to come out. That is what the person, high standard person, always watching his own thoughts. That's why talk less. Very, very minimum. Interactions also very minimum. Once you want to internalize the teaching, you have to do lot of sadhana. First, Vang Maunam. Then Kaika Maunam. Reduce the actions. Then reduce interactions with the world. Very difficult. That is why sannyasa, Why we take sannyasa? It's not easy to take sannyasa. You require tremendous courage. Even to live as a sannyasi, to behave like a sannyasi, you require tremendous courage. It's not a joke. That's why always Shastra address the wise person, Dhiraha. Dhiraha, courageous person, bold person. Pashyan Vigata Kautukaha. And the Vigata Kautukaha is very powerful word. Trim your curiosity. Okay? Api sannihite mrutyau. To such a person, mrutyau sannihite api. When the death is very close, katham trasyati dhira dhihi. How that death can threaten this person. Trasyati. How can it threaten or frighten this person who is wise, who is free from this body, mind, abhimana? Body is bound to have death because it has got birth. So remembering this fact all the time, he is not afraid of death. What will happen to me after death? Means what? Person attached to anatma body. What will happen to me? Means what? He is not able to identify with atma, identifying with the body. So Deha Abhimana has not gone. What will happen to me? What will happen? What will happen? Nothing will happen. Everybody happy, no? Everybody is happy. The old people, when they are at home, no? Pavam kashtapadrar. Pavam kashtapadrar na enna artham? Vacate panna maatare. Innu vacate pannale ani. That's why you have to see real vairagyam, it has to come. Before the body is going to drop, I have to drop the body. What is death? Death is what? Nothing but gross matter dissociation from subtle matter. Previously I used to say gross body dissociation with a subtle body. Body is nothing but matter. Therefore, birth is nothing but association of gross matter and subtle matter. Death means dissociation of gross matter from that subtle matter. That's all. Both matters are associating, dissociating. Why you are bothering now? Are you a matter? It doesn't matter, no? It doesn't matter. This is called abhimana. Deha abhimana. Anatma vishaye abhimana ajnanat. Atma ajnanat. So what na? If you have abhimana, you have to pay the price. Fear. Fear you have to undergo. Tremendous fear about disease, future, death. Lot of fear. And not only about fear about yourself, about other family members. What will happen to my husband? What will happen to my wife? ஒருத்தனுக்கு நான் தான் முன்னாடி போகணும், நான் தான் முன்னாடி போகணும். யார் போவான்னு யாருக்கு தெரியும்? How can you survive if I am not there? Therefore, both are talking like this now. என்ன கதை? அக்னிவல்க மைத்ரேயி மாதிரி பேச வேண்டியது போய் அனாத்மால உட்கார்ந்து பேசிட்டான்னா துக்கம்தான் இருக்கும். என்ன துக்கம் பாருங்க. So he says, sannihite mrutyau. See, mrutyau sannihite api, even though death is very close, going to die, kadham trasyati, not afraid of that death. Is not afraid of that mrutyu. Next shloka. Nispruha manasam yasya nairasyepi mahatmanah tasyatma jnana truptasya तुलना केन जायते. Invoke your Sakshi nature as many times as possible. I am the witnesser. I am witnessing the body. I am witnessing my mind which is changing. I am witnessing all that which is changing in the universe. All are changing. What is not changing? Everything is changing, 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 changing. Therefore, whatever is changing, look at it as it is. Change, change, change. Person body is changing, mind is changing, things are changing, values are changing, goals are changing, words are changing, what not changing? Nothing is changing. See that Sakshi Chaitanyam which is always same, changeless, seeing the change. Change enna 1 rupee, 2 rupee change kadayadu. Therefore, Jnani is one who sees the change as it is. Husband romba maaritarna, adida Maya. Wife maarita romba change aayita, adida Maya. My children have changed a lot, adida Maya. My daughter-in-law has changed, mother-in-law has changed. Either this side or that side. Romba kettavana irundha munnadi ipo nallavana aayita change. Okay, illenna ippadi irundha appadi. This is what world. Your body is changing every second. Whatever you are possessing also changing. This is the beauty of the creation world. Accept the change. The one who is seeing the change is changeless. The one who sees the train arrival and departure, be free from out of the train or inside the train. 8 o'clock train coming, 9 o'clock train coming, 10 o'clock train going, 10:30 go train going. How he knows? He must be out of the train. இது ஒரு வார்த்தை போதும், கொஞ்சம் சென்சிட்டிவாக இருந்தால். That's why the one who sees the changes must be out of change. ட்ரெயின் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொன்னால் அரைவல் டிபார்ச்சர் ரொம்ப தலை ஆடிட்டோம். ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு சுவாமினி. ட்ரெயின் அரைவல் டிபார்ச்சரில் நோ தாத்பரியம். த எக்ஸாம்பிள் வை ஐ எம் டெல்லிங் ஹியர், த ஒன் ஹூ சீஸ் த சேஞ்ச் of everything, yesterday, today, tomorrow, anywhere, at any time, changes I am watching. The one who is watching the change is free from, he must be free from change. A changing person can never watch the change. Just best example, your own childhood, boyhood, girlhood, teenage, then little bit adult, old, little old, too old. Change, who is seeing change? I am, there is no change. In I am, there is no change. I was a boy, I was a girl, I was youth, I am in middle age now. One lady this morning, she is telling, சுவாமினி என்ன பல்லெல்லாம் போச்சு சுவாமினி, என்னோட பல்லெல்லாம் போச்சு. நான் சொன்னேன், நான் ரெடியாக இருக்கேன் அப்புறம் அண்ணா. ஐ எம் ஆல்சோ ரெடி, டுமாரோ மை பல்லு போகும். ஷீ இஸ் ஸோ ஃபீலிங், நோ ஸோ மச் ஃபீலிங். என்ன பல்லு போனால் என்ன, நான் எம் இன் த ரெடி கியூ. சேஞ்ச், த ஒன் ஹூ சீஸ் த சேஞ்ச் இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் ஃப்ரீ ஃப்ரம் சேஞ்ச். அது ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். ஹூ ஆம் ஐ? I am nirvikaraha. Vikaramana change. Nirvikaramana changeless. Therefore, Jnani Nispruha Manasam Yasya. Spruha Rahita Manasam means whose mind is free from Nispruha. Spruha, free from Spruha. Nispruha we should not take in a negative sense. Okay. ரொம்ப நிஸ்பிருஹா இருக்க பாப்பம், டிசப்பாயிண்டட் அர்த்தம். நிராசா நிஸ்பிருஹான்னா நெகட்டிவ் சென்ஸில் வி ஷுட் நாட் டேக். உதாசீனா ஸ்பிருஹான்னா நாட் ஹேவிங் எனி கிரேவிங் அபவுட் எனி திங்னு அர்த்தம். நிஸ்பிருஹான்னு சம்சாரா ஹேஸ் கான் ஃப்ரம் ஹிம்னு அர்த்தம். ஃப்ரீ ஃப்ரம் Spruha, worry about future in artham. Yasya manasam, free from any future plans. Spruha all the time. Daughter enna pandran ennamo, son enna pandran ennamo. Once in a while it's okay. But too much na, why theranda adhe vanditana eppadi pandrathu? Vedantha varadhu vaayilunde. சுவாமி நீங்கள் நல்லா இருக்குது கிளாஸ், இந்த பாயிண்ட் எப்படி இருக்குது, அந்த பாயிண்ட் எப்படி இருக்குது, எப்போவாவது தப்பி தவறாவது பேசுவாங்கன்னா திட் ஷோஸ் தட் ஹூ ஆக்யூபைஸ் த மைண்ட் நான் ஸ்டாப். தட் மீன்ஸ் யூ கேன் டாக் அபவுட் த பீப்புள் இஃப் எனிபடி இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு ஷேர். இங்கே நான் ஸ்டாப் சி இஃப் தே கோ ஆன் ஓப்பன் ஹவ் இஸ் யுவர் டாட்டர்னு கேட்டால் போதும். ஹவ் இஸ் யுவர் டாட்டர் ஒன்று ரெண்டு வார்த்தை சொல்லி முடிச்சுடணும், அவ்வளோதான். ஹவ் இஸ் யுவர் சன் ரெண்டு வார்த்தை சொல்லிட்டு முடிச்சிடணும். ஹவ் இஸ் யுவர் கிராண்ட் சன் ரெண்டு வார்த்தை சொல்லி முடிச்சிடணும். ஒரு வார்த்தை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டான்னு 15 நிமிஷம் அதே முடிஞ்சிடும். ஹவு டைம் இஸ் ப்ரெஷஸ் அன்னது கூட they never think at all. You can see 99.99% of people don't have control on what they are talking. How much time I have to talk, what to talk, when to talk, with whom I have to talk annது தெரியவே தெரியாது. ஏன்னா here lot of pressure, inside pressure. எப்படியாவது let out பண்ணலாம், யாராவது கடிச்சா போதும் அப்படி let out. இது not 1% or 2%, I am telling it, every person's weakness. Every person's weakness. சன்னியாசின்னா கொஞ்சம் கம்மியாக இருக்கும், அவ்வளோதான். நோ டிஃபரன்ஸ் மச். எவ்ரிபடி இப்படி தே ஸ்டார்ட் தேர் என்ன நடந்தது எனக்கு சொல்லிகிட்டே போவோம். இட் ஷோஸ் த இன்னர் ப்ரெஷர். ஓகே, ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு செக் வாட் யூ ஆர் டாக்கிங். A mature, refined mind person is one who talks very, very, scrutinizing all his words. How much to talk? Why I have to talk too much about so and so person? Why I have to talk? That means that person is totally occupied my mind. Always you see in your mind one person or the other occupies. One time daughter, sometime grandson, sometimes husband, sometimes neighbor, new friend, யாரோ ஒருத்தர் வந்து உட்காருவா அப்படி மனசுக்குள்ள, அவ்வளோதான். thinking all the time. இதுதான் ஸ்புருஹா. And once you have that spruha thinking, desire will come. What I have to make that person happy, I want to please that person. இதெல்லாம் desires வந்துடும், not of desires. தேவையா? That is why mind is really cheating us. Our own mind cheating us. Instead of mind, we have to master our mind. Mind is controlling us. But the Jnani is nispruha, free from all desires. He is not having any agenda to please that person, this person. என்னால் ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது அவருக்கு. யாருன்னு ப்ளீஸ் பண்ணணும்? I need not please my husband, I need not please my wife, I need not please my children. அதுதான் சந்நியாசம் வாங்கிறது. We need not please anybody. Otherwise they demand, you are not doing anything for me. இது கேட்பா, you are not doing anything. எத்தனை நாள் பண்ண முடியும்? So all the time we have to think about it. Very difficult, Even the mature person in Grihastha ashrama never demand anything from others. If you are able to give, give. Don't demand. The more you demand, the more you are slave. Less demand, less dependence, more peace. I demand more, I depend more, I depend more, less peace. If I demand less and I ask less, I give more, my peace is more. We never knew this law. But generally, எல்லாருமே நிறைய டிமாண்ட் பண்ணுவான் and lose their own peace because of dependence. Where is the time for higher thinking, higher thoughts, study? Gnani yasya manasam nispruhaha, whose mind is desireless, nairasye api. Nairasye means he doesn't have desire to be desirelessness. I want to be desireless. And the desire kadiyada. Actually, nairasya is moksha. He is not interested in moksha also. Nairasya means he is not interested to be desireless. Desire irundha irukattum. இல்லாட்டாலும் வரவாலும் இருந்தாலும் போதும். எனக்கு டிசைரே வேண்டாம். ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் திஸ், ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் திஸ். சம் பீப்புள் ப்ராப்ளம் ஆஃப் தட். எனக்கு ஒன்றுமே வேண்டாம், இன்னுமே வேண்டாம். டிசைர் ஆனால் ஐ வாண்ட் டு பி டிசைர்லெஸ் அன்ன டிசைர். அது தப்பு தான். A gnani is one. Whatever comes in front, he never say. Second line says, see, tasya atmagnasya truptasya tulana kena jayate. How can you compare such a mind, gnani's mind, to anything in this world? Because he is not interested in any what you can call it, taking and giving. He is not interested in both. Idella ajnani problem. Okay. Tulana means comparison. How can you compare such a gnani's mind, whose mind is free from desires and free from that desire? I want to be desireless desire. அது கூட இருக்கக்கூடாதா? என்னாச்சு? டிசைர் என்னாச்சு? Can you have Shubha Vasana, Shubha Kamana? Many you can have. What is the problem? You are afraid of desire. You are afraid of desire means what? You are giving reality to the desire. You are attached. சில பேருக்கு அது பயம். வைராக்கியம் பேரில் எல்லாமே. That is why somebody says that Swamiji never touch the money. Never touch the money. Papa, money என்ன பண்ணுறது? As long as you don't have any asya for that, you don't have craving for that, nothing wrong in that. By touching money, you are going to apavitrama. You are going to become apavitra. All false notions we develop and behaving or imitating in all these false imitation will never work. Transformation only important, not external imitation. Okay, how long you imitate, you will be tired of afterwards. That's why how much transformation coming in my mind, that I have to watch. Therefore he says, such a gnani tasya atmagnana truptasya. Truptasya means of such a person who is truptaha, content. Because he is not having desire for moksha also, because he knows that I am nitya muktaha. I need not attain mukti. Mukti is not a sadhya vastu. It is not a thing to accomplish. I am already muktaha. After knowing that, where is the desire for moksha also? I am nitya muktaha. I need not get moksha. That is his jnana. Atma jnana truptasya. He is content because of his atma jnanam. Because nothing he is lacking, nothing is missing. Because of that, truptihi. Atmaneva atmana tushtaha. Therefore, such a Jnani's mind you cannot compare with anything, because there is no second thing to compare with Jnani's mind. His mind is a beautiful mind. Jnani's mind is a wonderful, beautiful mind. If you have an opportunity to have interaction with such a Jnani's mind, you are really fortunate. அதுதான் தேடணும். அந்த ஞானிஸ் மைண்ட் எங்கே இருக்கா அங்கே அங்கே போய் நம்ம உட்கார்ந்துட்டோம்னா நம்ம ஜென்ம தன்யம், முக்தி வந்துடும். தட் இஸ் கால்டு ஞானிஸ் மைண்ட். What is Jnani's mind? A Jnani who recognizes that I am Nitya Muktaha. Nothing can disturb him. Really, it is a blessing if we have such a Jnani's association. How can I know that? You have to become a Jnani, then only you can know. Otherwise you cannot know. That is why Mahatmas, way we have to serve, their mind is so beautiful, so wonderful. And near to that Jnani, if in the presence itself, our papams, our obstacles, our ajnana, everything will be washed off. Provided if I am having humility, Shraddha, Bhakti. Otherwise, nothing doing. Provided I have Bhakti, Shraddha, humility towards such a person, such a mind, I can draw tremendous from such a person. Okay. You cannot compare such a Jnani's mind with anything in the world. What can you give? What can you give to such a Jnani? Tell me. Nothing. In front of the knowledge, that Atma Jnanam, we cannot give anything. Tulana na jayate. Kim jayate? What can be the comparison for such a Jnani? Asla andha greatness theriyadame namakku first. அஜ்ஞானி ஆனாலும் கூட அதுக்காக ஒரு ஆசை இருக்கணுமே. For ignorant person also should have that desire to value, reverence towards such a knowledge, to such a mind, to such a person. It's not a joke. Unless you have tīvra ichcha inside, that person will not come nearby. Even person is near, but that person can never come close to your heart. இது ஒரு கொஞ்சம் க்ளூ இங்கே. ஓகே, ஈவன் தோ இஃப் யூ ஆர் நாட் கமிட்டட், இஃப் யூ ஆர் நாட் ஹேவிங் ரெவரன்ஸ், ஹியூமிலிட்டி, டிவோஷன், ஆல் தட் அர்ஜ் இன்சைடு, அந்த மகாத்மானுடைய மனசோடு நான் எப்படி 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 நமக்கு அந்த ஆர்வம், அந்த பசி தாகம்னு சொல்லுவான் இல்லையா, எப்படி ஒரு பசி, சாப்பாடுக்காக பசி தாகம் இருக்கும்போது எப்படி அலைகிறோம், அந்த மாதிரி அப்படிப்பட்ட மனசுக்காக நான் தேடணும். தேடினா இந்த ஸ்ரத்தையோட கண்டிப்பாக அது கிடைக்கும். பட் இது ரெண்டும் இருக்கிறது ரொம்ப பெரிய விஷயம். எவ்வளோ சுத்தமாகணும் தெரியுமா மனசு, எவ்வளோ சுத்தமாகணும். I have to become like a pure mind, maximum, without any raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, jealousy, and without any hypocrisy, without any ostentation, without any abhimana. I have to become humble, simple, devotee of Lord first. With that urge, Bhagavan provides. That person come and stand in front of you. It is not a joke. Okay? Preparation. Lot of preparation is required. Okay, next shloka. स्वभावादेव जानानः दृश्यमे तन्न किंचन इदं ग्राह्यमिदं त्याज्यम् स किं पश्यति धीरधीः. The more I involve in anatma, body-mind transaction, the more I am trapped. The more I am involved much time with anatma, sariram, connected relations, objects, more time rather than shastra. Shastra appo once in a while, weekly one class. அப்பப்போ புக்கு திறப்போம், என்ன புக்கு கொண்டு வந்தோம் நமக்கே தெரியாது. ஒரு வாட்டி டெக்ஸ்ட் புக் இருந்தால் நோட்ஸ் இருக்காது, நோட்ஸ் இருந்தால் பென் இருக்காது, பென் இருந்தால் ரீஃபில் இருக்காது. அப்படிப்பட்டு ஏதோ இருக்கோம், கிளாஸு படிக்கிறோம், வேதாந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கோம். பட் மேக்ஸிமம் டைம் வி ஆர் ஆல்வேஸ் ஸ்பெண்டிங் ஃபார் வாட்? வீடு பார்க்கணும், எல்லாம் பண்ணணும், அதே வீடு 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 விஷயமாக பார்த்துன்னு இருக்கும். திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் மோர் இன்வால்வ்மெண்ட் இன் அனாத்மா. What will happen slowly? You lose your mental peace. Your mind is trapped because of more involvement. Suppose I involve less in an atma, involve more in atma. How I can involve in more atma? Reading my own notes, chanting Upanishadic mantras, chanting Bhagavad Gita, attending classes, listening to CDs, listening to cassettes. I am spending morning few hours, afternoon few hours, evening spending, and you can balance it. You are not trapped. That means your peace you never lose. Because the more you study close to Shastra, you are ready to lose any anatma because they are not real worthy. You understand? The more you study Shastra, you never give importance to the losable. You are ready to lose the losables. Swamiji says, mature mind is that, Jnani is one ready to drop that, or ready to lose what are all losable. If I don't drop that, no, ready to drop whatever is losable, otherwise I am a loser. Readiness, losable, anything losable except my real nature. Use it, make use of it. And the dustbin மேல என்ன எழுதிருக்கோம்? Use me. Use me. அது மாதிரி the whole world is like a dustbin. It is telling use me, use me. Use it. Make use of it. But never trapped in that. That's called intelligence. So, svabhavad eva jananaha drishyam etat na kinchana. Knowing the svabhava, the nature of this drishya prapancha, svabhavan, in its own nature, jananaha, having known, etat kinchana, you can see the whole thing. Etat drishyam, etat drishyam means this world. This world, idam grahyam, idam tyajyam. Kinchana, this I have to take. This I have to drop. Kinchana grahyam, kinchana tyajam. Kinchana grahyana, which I attach to, I want to take it. Which I am not interested, I don't like it, na tyajam. Raga vishaya, dvesha vishaya. Raga vishaye grahyam, dvesha vishaye tyajam. Which I have aversion towards people or objects, I want to do tyajam. I like people and certain things I like and grahyam. This jnani is not interested in anything in anatma. What is there to grahyam and tyajam? Nothing is there to take, nothing is there to drop. No taking, no dropping. Taking pannana, then dropping. To drop you must take, you must have taken. If you have taken, you have to drop. Therefore, there is no taking, there is no dropping. What to take, what to drop. Appadena anna Swamini anna. while you are taking, no, this is called anatma. One day it is going to be dropped. Happily drop it. Relation, objects, cell phone, all gadgets what you are all using, grasp, but it is droppable. All droppable. Never have that mindness. Even body. Therefore, kinchana idam grahyam kinchana idam tyajyam etat sarvam na kinchana. Nothing is there. In the drishya prapancha, there is nothing to grasp, nothing to drop. That means what? He is not having any attachment to anything. Use it. Respect it. Take care of it. But never give reality to it. இதுதான் புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ஒன்றுமே எடுக்கக்கூடாதா, ஒன்றுமே கொடுக்கக்கூடாதா, இதெல்லாம் அப்படி சொல்லலை. நெவர் கிவ் ரியாலிட்டி. சத்தியத்துவம் கொடுக்காதே. சத்தியத்துவம் கொடுத்தா we have to suffer. அதுதான் சொல்கிறோம். நெவர் கிவ் டூ மச் ரியாலிட்டி டு தட். கொஞ்சம் ரியாலிட்டி கொடுங்க, பரவாயில்ல. யூசபிள், தென் லூசபிள். யூசபிள், லூசபிள், இன்க்ளூடிங் அப்படி அப்படி தொட்டி பார்த்துக்கணும் உடம்பு. சஹ கிம் பஷ்யதி தீரதீஹி தியாஜ்யம். சஹ கிம் பஷ்யதி தீரதீஹி. தீஹி என்ன? இன்டலெக்ட். தீரஹ மீன்ஸ் வைஸ் பர்சன். Wise person is one whose intellect is always abiding in that Atman nature. Saha kim pashyati, what he can see. This is to be grasped, this is to be dropped. அந்த பற்று இருக்காது அவனுக்கு. பற்று இருக்காது, அவ்வளோதான். பற்று விடு என்ன. ஹோல் வேதாந்தா இஸ் நத்திங் பட் பற்று விடு. அபிமானத்தை விடு என்ன. Then you can enjoy the world, entertainment. Okay? You can be free from sorrow. Next verse. 14th verse. Antastyaktarupa yasyam antastyaktarupa निर्द्वन्द्वस्य निराशिषः यदृच्छया गतो भोगः न दुःखाय न तुष्टये. So all varieties, what are all happening in front of us, all varieties are nothing but Maya Karyam. Maya Karyam. They are all really not there. The whole thing is because of your mental, the mind is looking at it as real. Because not knowing the Atman nature. So he says here, Antaha tyakta rupayasya. என்னது? கஷாய. சாரி, பிரிண்டிங்கே சரியில்லை. கஷாயஸ்ய. கஷாயஸ்ய அந்தஹா தியக்தஹானர். இன்டர்னல் கஷாய. அந்தஹா மீன்ஸ் இன்டர்னல். அந்தఃகரணே விஷயவாசனா இத்யர்த்தः. விஷயவாசனா, மல, விக்ஷேபா, viparita bhavana, they are all called kashayam. Kashayam means all habitual notions, old vasanas. Why I did like that, why I did like this, why this person did this to me, why that person behaved like this, previous past experiences. அந்த மனசுக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற குழப்பம் என்ன கஷாயம் அனு பேர். So antaha tyaktaha, having given up all the vishayavasana, mala, vikshepa, விபரீத பாவனாஸ், எல்லாம் ராங் திங்கிங்கு, கம்ப்ளைண்ட்ஸு எல்லாமே தியக்தஹ கஷாயஸ்ய. நிர்த்வந்த்வஸ்ய, ஹேவிங் கிவன் அப் ஆல் த பெயர்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஆப்போசிட்ஸ், ஜயா அபஜயா, ராக துவேஷ, sukha dukkha, mana apamana, all these dvandvas. Nirasishaha, without any future plans with regard to future, not very rigid. அது இப்படி தான் நடக்கணும், அப்படி தான் நடக்கணும், இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும்னா இது டூ ரிஜிடிட்டி. Not having any rigidity about future, very flexible with regard to future. What is in your hands? No? Future is not in your hands totally. Why too rigid you are about future? That's why Jnani is one who is not rigid about future. That is called Nirasishaha. Nirdvandvaha means with regard to present also is very flexible. Nirdvandvaha means what is happening all both the sides, no? It is very very flexible. ஏன் இப்படி நடக்கிறது இப்போ, ஏன் இப்படி அப்படி, இதெல்லாம் கொஷின் கிடையாது. சில பேர் ரொம்ப நோய் 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 பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பாங்க, இப்படி இதுக்கு அது இப்படி நடந்தது அப்படி. ஞானி இஸ் ஒன் இஸ் ஹூ ஃப்ளெக்சிபிள். நடந்ததா நடக்கட்டும், ஓகே, அதை பற்றி ரொம்ப ஆராய்ச்சி பண்ணக்கூடாது. சில பேருக்கு ஃப்யூச்சர் பற்றி ஆராய்ச்சி, சில பேருக்கு நடக்கிறத பற்றி ஆராய்ச்சி. ஆத்மனை பற்றி ஆராய்ச்சி பண்ண மாட்டான், எல்லாம் அனாத்மான ஆராய்ச்சி பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பான் நிறைய பேர். என்ன பண்ணுறது? எதிர்ச்சையா ஆகதா போகா. போகா மீன்ஸ் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எய்தர் ஃபேவரபுள் ஆர் அன்ஃபேவரபிள், பவுண்ட் டு கம். When they come, yadrichaya agata, they come by chance, you never plan. Yadrichaya means by chance, with any planning, without any plan, without any pre-planning. Sometimes it happens. Yadrichaya agata, experience. Why? And don't ask. And remove that why word. இன்னர் இன்சைடில் ஒரு மியூசிக் போயிட்டே இருக்கும் எப்போவுமே. சில எல்லாருக்குமே மனசுக்குள்ளக்குள்ளே உள்ள என்ன சுவாமின்னு ஒரே உழப்பான அந்த மனசுக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற ட்ராமா நடக்கிறது பாருங்க. ஒரு டிவி எடுத்துட்டோன்னா அப்படியே அதுக்கு எக்ஸ்ரே யாரும் வைக்கல, ஆனால் எக்ஸ்ரே வைக்கணும். ஹார்ட்டுக்கு வச்சுட்டா ஹார்ட் பீட்டுக்கு அப்படியே என்ஜிஓ கிராம் எல்லாம் காமிக்கிறது. மனசுக்கு கூட ஏதாவது மிஷின் வச்சுட்டா நல்லா இருக்கும், நம்மவே டெஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அதுக்கு எதுக்கு சுவாமி டெஸ்ட், நானே சாட்சியாக இருக்கேனே, அண்ணா அதுக்கு தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கல யாரும் மிஷின். புரியுறதா? I the Atma, I am the Sakshi of my own mind. The monogram, this is called monogram. Now vechirka peru orke. Okay. Yadrichaya agataha bhogaha na dukkhaya na tushtaya. It is neither cause for dukkha, it cannot cause any sorrow, or tushtaya, or any tushti, santrupti. Neither pleasure nor pain. Bhogaha, experience will not cause any pain, dukkhaya na bhavati, or tushtaye na bhavati. It will not cause any pleasure or pain. அது எப்படி என்ன அப்படிதான். ப்ளஷர் பெயின் வரும், பட் ஐ ஆம் சாட்சி. ஐ ஆம் அவுட் ஆஃப் ப்ளஷர் அண்ட் பெயின். பிபிபி. ஓகே, ப்ளஷர் அண்ட் பெயின் நல்லா இருக்க. ஐ ஆம் த விட்னஸர் ஆஃப் பிபி என்ன, ப்ளஷர் அண்ட் பெயின். Okay, okay. I am free from pleasure and pain because I am witnessing the pleasure and pain. They are witnessed by me. So the witnesser of pleasure and pain is different from the pleasure and pain. They are witnessed, I am witnesser. Are you experiencing pleasure or not? Therefore you are different from pleasure. Are you experiencing the pain or not? Therefore you are different from the pain. Therefore, where is pain, pleasure? So look at the drama of pleasure and pain. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.